Hey yo, good day everyone. Welcome to another video dito sa Man Cannot Ride. Pagpasensyonahan niyo na kasi hindi ko ito may demo dun sa motor kasi umuulan ngayon. But, i-share ko lang sa inyo, kahapon nag-ride ako, November 16. But, there were so many times na nako-compromise yung front grip. My mistake. It's my mistake. I'm approaching the corner too fast, or I'm using too much lean angle, tapos masyadong mabilis, masyadong malalim yung ginagawa kong cornering kahapon, and nako-compromise yung stability and control. So yung for safety reasons hindi siya magandang gawin. Yun nga lang, thank goodness na isinasalba ako ng isang riding tip na natutunan kong matagal na nung nag-aaral pa lang ako magmotor. Ito agad yung isa sa mga natutunan ko na napaka-effective. Sana makarelate kayo, sana ginagawa nyo rin to. Okay? And kahapon din gumawa ako ng video tungkol sa ano yung mga nakakapagsalba sa akin sa mga close calls ko. So ito, hindi ko to sinama kahapon kasi I want to make a separate video for this. Ito na ngayon. Sobrang simple, sobrang simple lang, and nakikita ko ito madalas na hindi siya ginagawa ng ibang riders. Loose grip on the handlebars. Yung kamay ko nga halos nakapatong lang eh. Parang nakapatong lang, nakaganyan lang sa handlebars. I'm just counter steering, using my controls, using the clutch, but hindi ko dine-death grip. Okay? Hindi ko pinipiga yung handlebar na naninigas yung kamay ko. Lalong-lalo na kapag mga sitwasyon na nawawalan ng control yung motor. That's the time that you have to loosen your grip. Okay, let me explain in a simple sense na lang ano. The motorcycle as it is, on its own, kapag yan ay umaandar, it wants to be stable. It wants to stay upright. Yun na yung consequence ng design niya. That's how it works, and that's because of physics and of science. Yun na yun, yun na talaga yun. Hindi natin pwedeng questionin yun, okay? So yung motor has its own ability to do self-correction. Kapag gumegewang-gewang yung handlebar, kapag nagwa-wobble yung handlebar, actually, the motorcycle wants to correct itself. Kino-correct niya yung sarili niya. Okay? Now, kung sasakalin natin yung handlebar, ang mangyayari, mapipigilan natin yung self-correction na ginagawa ng motor. And again, this is because of physics, yung kung paano gumagana ang isang motor. If we fight it, if we stop it, then baka dun pa tayo mapahamak lalo. So kahapon, nung may mga times na I was doing a left corner, tapos kumawala yung unahan kasi madami akong nadaanan kahapon na may loose soil, may fine gravel, may mga puddle of water, basta may mga madudulas na part na hindi ko na maiiwasan kasi nasa linya ko. So kumakawala yung front, and naging instinct na ng dalawang kamay ko na pag kumakawala yung front, I just let go, alalay lang, and then the bike will wobble a bit, then i-correct niya yung sarili niya, and then I will just adjust my body position to help the bike, and then I'm upright again. Kapag upright ka na, okay na yung grip, and then i-correct ko na lang uli. Napakalaking tulong. Wag nating hawakan, wag nating pisilin, wag nating i-death grip yung mga handlebars natin. Madalas ko yung nakikita kapag may iba mga bumabakbak sa straights, talagang kitang-kita mo na yung ugat ng kamay, nakaugat ng gigigil. Pag nasa corner, talagang hawak na hawak, para hindi matumba yung... No, that's wrong. Let the bike work. Let the bike work underneath you. Yung nga sabi nila, let the bike do its own self-correction. I-guide lang natin yung motor kung ano yung gusto natin mangyari, but let it do its thing. Let it perform na the way it was designed to, kasi again, the motorcycle can correct itself. Loosen your grip on your handlebars. I'll see you on the next video.